What is up, guys? Steve here with Apocalypse Off-Road. Today I'm just going to give you a little update. I don't know if you remember or if you saw the video. I think it was called BJ60 bought sight unseen with turbo. This is that cruiser here. As you can see, I've been busy. I've got it all torn apart. The old frame is over here on the trailer that I just built out of an old tent trailer. This sucker is on its way to scrap tomorrow. It's bent, it's rotten, it's rusty. Just not worth the time and the effort to save that one. And I already had this other one, which I put about a solid week into patching, cutting out all the rust. But it's ready. It's finally ready. I'm starting to put things back together. I've got the H55, which actually the previous owner, I finally got a hold of him. He told me that's only got about 90,000 kilometers on it. And this is actually a B motor, not a 3B. This would have come out of a 70s BJ40 series Land Cruiser. So I'm going to put it in here anyways. I do have a couple 3B motors that are good, but I want to run the B just to try it out. Apparently they respond a little better to a turbo, small little turbo, and they're more economical. So we're just going to try it out. Why not? Is this recording? Yeah, still going. So yeah, as you can see, I spent some time here, spent a few hours cleaning up and repainting this firewall. I stripped everything off of there, slapped some blue paint on the motor. I'm not going to do a ton to the body. I might swap out a couple of these doors. I've got a couple other ones that are better. I am, however, doing a little work in the back here. These rear body mounts, well, they weren't there. So I'm just putting in some 1/8 inch metal here to really beef this up, because you can't get to it once the frame's on there and the bumper's in the way. Yeah, I had the gas tank out, fixed some leaks there up top, and bashed a big dent out of the bottom. So that's where she's at, guys. She's going back together. Another couple of weeks here as I putter around in between other things. We'll have the sucker back on the road. Then we'll make another video. I kind of like to put some really big meats on it. The biggest thing I got right now are 35s, but I think some 40s or some 37s would look good on here with the spring over lift. Anyways, let me guys know what you think. Thanks for watching. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button, and heck, why not hit that bell too. See you later.